There are so many drains in our homes, and from time to time they get clogged. We've all been there. I wanted to share some ways to unclog your drains with natural products and without using a plunger. Toilets. For clogged toilets, I used a lot of toilet paper to create a clog. Pour in 1 cup of dish detergent and let that sit for a couple minutes. Next, add about 4 cups of warm water. Let this sit for a couple minutes to start breaking everything up. Flush the toilet. It might start slow as it's breaking everything free, but then it should flush away. You can repeat this process if there's still some left behind. Kitchen sink. If your sink is slow to drain or clogged, most of the time it's buildup. Sprinkle 1/2 cup baking soda down the drain and let it sit for a minute. Next, pour down 1 cup of vinegar. You'll get a fun reaction. Remember building volcanoes at school? Once the reaction is done, let it sit for a couple minutes. Depending upon what your sink is made out of and your pipes, you'll follow this up with boiling water, or you could run your faucet on the hottest setting for a bit if you're worried about your pipes not being able to take the heat. If it's your kitchen sink and you have a garbage disposal, add a slice of lemon in it. Turn on the garbage disposal and clean everything out. The lemon will deodorize your garbage disposal and clean out any gunk down there. Bathroom sinks. If you're cleaning out a sink in your home and your bathroom, or one that has a stopper built in, try snaking it out with a drain snake first. Sprinkle 1/2 cup baking soda down the drain and let it sit for a minute. Next, pour down 1 cup of vinegar. Wait for the reaction to happen, and once the reaction is done, let it sit for a couple minutes. To prevent clogs in your bathtubs, sinks, kitchen sinks, use a strainer. These can be picked up at Dollar Tree, Walmart, or online. In the bathtub or in the sink, use it to cover the drains upside down. It'll stop things like hair from going down and clogging up your drains. I hope this inspires you to try some of these unclogging drain techniques in your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching. To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.